Hello everyone. So today I'm starting this video as my first YouTube playlist, and this will be regarding the Java playlist. I firmly believe that a friend can sometimes teach more than a trainer. So here I introduce myself as your friend, not a Java trainer, not a teacher, not a faculty, but just a friend trying to help other friends. Thank you. So here's my profile. My name is Dhananjay Radhanpura. I am 30 years young. Education, B.Tech in computer science. I completed it in 2017. After that, I started in my job career and I have spent like 7+ years as a software engineer in IT industry. Now I'm an aspiring YouTuber sharing Java and IT growth hacks and my experience and knowledge, whatever I gained in the last 7 years. Then here's my vision. So I believe that learning should be consistent but never boring. I want my friends to love learning, not do it with only for money or paying bills like that. So whatever we are going to do, I really believe that you will start loving Java, you will start loving the IT industry as much as I do. So here I'm introducing the play about my playlist. Its course content will be mostly focused on core Java. The level initially I will start with the very basic level, but we will eventually grasp on the topics that are coming in the very advanced level as well. Prerequisites would be some basic understanding of programming. I mean, even if you don't have it, okay, you can start fresh with me. I will also be starting as if like having a very fresh and very non-technical people. And the tools that I will use are ChatGPT, IntelliJ, IDEA, IDE, and JDK8. So JDK is basically Java development kit, and version 8 of Java will be used here. And the add-ons, so basically once I complete all the Java features and everything, then I'll also cover Java 11 features and Java 17 features, so that you already would have hands-on understanding of all the advanced features or all the new features that have come in Java. And what would you gain? This is definitely a question that would come in your mind, like what should be the next steps once we have covered this playlist or once we have learned Java. So definitely we will cover that in detail, but yeah, in brief I can say that once you have learned Java, you can advance for Spring Boot or Spring MVC and for web development, or maybe if you are more interested into the mobile app development, you can go for Android and Kotlin development learning. So those will be the next steps once you cover this playlist. Also, if you are more interested in the Android side or like for mobile app development, you can after like apart from Android, there is another option which is about hybrid mobile app development, that will be Flutter. But yeah, once you learn core Java, you will have pretty much good knowledge and good grip on the different pillars of programming and different paradigms of programming. So that way it will help you much more in the next steps. And we'll discuss about it on more details. So let me cover the course content that I'll cover in this playlist. So initially I will start with the very basic identifiers in Java, then followed by the keywords. Keywords are like reserved words in Java that you can't use anywhere else. You have to use them exactly how they are planned in Java library. Then we will be using operators to like use different expression evaluations, etc., for calculations and all. Then we will also see the different data types, what is data types, how we use them. Then we will go with the control statements. Now what is control statements? It will actually any statement that controls the flow of the program is known as control statements. We will go in deep dive about it in following playlist. But here are the course content of it. So we will start with the if else statements, then switch statement, then break and continue statement, for loop, while loop, do while loop, and for each loop. Then after that we will go with the arrays topic. Once we have covered arrays, we are ready to go and cover the Java strings. Now Java strings comprise of 4 different classes, which is string class, StringBuffer class, StringBuilder class, and StringTokenizer class. We will see how they are used and in what are the purpose and when to use different classes. Then we will also cover object-oriented programming concepts. So object-oriented programming is kind of a paradigm, or we can say a coding style, we can say. So in this we will cover the main pillars of object-oriented programming, that is OOP concepts. And the first one will be class, then object, then encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphisms. After that, we will also cover system class, date and time utility classes, CLI inputs in Java, like how do we take inputs from the user. Then we will also cover exception handling, wrapper classes, collections, file handling, multithreading, Java 8 features, Java 11 features, and at last Java 17 features. Once we have covered all these things, we would be very good in core Java programming, and we can say that I am a Java developer. Everybody who is going to go through this playlist will be able to say that they are the Java developers, and they can start applying as a fresher level, at a fresher level in any IT company. Let's go.